What's up guys, Shane Storms with DroidForums.net, and I have to show you the game that has been my addiction as of the last couple of days. I've not been able to put it down. Now that's not to say I probably won't eventually get tired of it, because it's kind of one of those games, but I just had to show you this. This will definitely be an awesome time waster for you. It's one game that you can put down and come back to later. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get started with the review of Adventure Capitalist. Now essentially the way that this works is you're giving nothing, and you have to be a great business person and kind of go from the ground up. Now you start out with a lemonade stand, and with the lemonade stand you purchase that and you're able to get just a few dollars every time the bar fills up. The bar fills up every minute, so the more lemonade stands that you buy, the more capital you have to work with, the more money you have to work with. Then you can move forward and buy newspaper stands. When you have bought your newspaper stands, they're going to pay you a little more. So the newspaper stand might pay you $5 every minute or every 30 seconds or whatever. The more of them you buy, the quicker the green bar fills up, the more money you receive. So right here, I have like an unlimited supply of $1,266. This means that it infinitely updates it with that amount. The newspaper stand is updating my total amount every second with $29,888. I've played this long enough to purchase 8 oil rigs, which every time this bar fills up, it puts $474 billion into my bank account, which that only happens every 8 hours. Every time you reach the quantity of 50 on any of these items, it doubles the speed at which it puts the money in the bank. So if I had 50 oil rigs, it would put the, probably by that time it would be like $1.5 trillion into my bank account every 4 hours. If I got to 100, it would put that money into the bank account every 2 hours, and so forth and so on. And just the point of the game is to eventually buy everything and to own everything. So it's kind of like a modern day Monopoly. But you'll see that when you're playing it, it just becomes addictive, and you try to think of mathematically the best way to spend your money to make the most amount of money. It's just a very interesting game. Obviously, it's very unrealistic, but it's just for fun. It's just a game, and it has been the one that I have been addicted to as of late. So I'll show you guys a few other things here. You guys can see that they are automatically filling up. Whenever you first start the game, you have to press the lemon and then the bar will fill up. Press the lemon again, the bar will fill up again. But you can go into the menu and go into managers and actually purchase a manager. So what the manager does is they automatically press the button for you. So you guys can see that the bars are filling up on their own. That's because I have a manager there that is pushing the button for me so that I don't have to do the work myself. So I'll actually go into the menu, check out my upgrades. If we go into cash upgrades, it looks like I can increase the profitability of my oil companies by spending $250 billion. I can raise all my profits by 3 if I choose to buy the Monopoly upgrade, which I'll go ahead and do that now. But that's just going to make the money come in quicker for the game. But you guys kind of see how this works. You can actually double your profits by clicking on and watching an ad. You can click on an ad to double your profits every 4 hours. If you want to spend money on this, it's a free download and the game is free to play. But if you wanted to spend money to increase your profits even more, you can buy gold, and with the gold you can buy angel investors. I would not recommend that at all. It just would take away from the fun of the game in my opinion. But what you would do is go to store. You can purchase the gold here. From the gold, you're able to purchase angel investors. Angel investors will purchase more companies for you, and then you would eventually make more money. But anyways, guys, you kind of get the picture. You get the idea behind the game. This is Adventure Capitalist, and I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can download this game. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at DroidForums.net. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one.